Hello, I'm Eric, here today with a quick tech tip for our PNW-1 high-fidelity tweeters. Right out of the box, the PNW-1 is a very flexible tweeter capable of being mounted in many vehicle locations. If you have an existing panel and you want to just go ahead and slide the tweeter into the existing location, then on the back side of the panel, using the appropriate number of washers from the packaging to fit the thickness of your panel, insert the screw through the U-shaped bracket, then thread it into the tweeter housing. Now, if none of your factory speaker locations have the proper sized hole, we do include a 3.5-inch speaker adapter with the PNW-1. Simply slide the tweeter into the bracket. Again, we're going to use one of these U-shaped brackets. Put this right on the back, and then using a washer and a mounting screw, just going to go ahead and put those in the back of the tweeter. We now have our PNW-1 mounted into a 3.5-inch mounting adapter, which will fit in the dash of many popular vehicles. Now, if your vehicle does not have a 1.85-inch hole or a 3.5-inch hole, and you have a smaller location you're looking to install the tweeter, the version 2 PNW tweeter, if you look right here, it does say version 2, these can be taken apart. Now, if you're like me, your hands may feel a little bit slippery on this beautifully smooth aluminum housing. I just want to let you know that the strongest tool you should need to take apart your PNW-1s is a set of rubber gloves. I'll be right back. I'm just going to put on some rubber gloves. Now with rubber gloves on, I can simply get a good grip on the housing, unscrew the top cover, set that aside, straighten my wires out, and push on the back of the wires exposing the tweeter. Now I can take this tweeter out and I can mount it in much smaller locations. Now we can simply snap the tweeter into the supplied OEM mount plastic housing, giving us yet another mounting option. We hope you enjoyed this PNW-1 tech tip. Be sure to like and subscribe below, and also leave us a comment and let us know what other tech tips you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.